Hello my best friends, in this video I will show you how to quickly and very simply solve the problem that you have. And the topic of this video, iPhone Bluetooth not working, how to fix problem, iPhone Bluetooth not working. Okay, I show you 3, maybe 4 effective methods. Yeah, let's get started and do everything step by step. Click like, then I will get hearts, you'll get hearts too. It's very good when ours are standing likes. Thank you. Write in the comments whether yours got up or not, like, because this is very important. Yeah, and ask your questions in the comments and I will create a video answer. So I show you step number 1. We go settings and click app Bluetooth, click turn off and click turn on and search your device and click this device, forget this device. Okay, click and cancel, so device type, so, and click turn off and click turn on and search your device and click connected. Yeah, and check if this way works for you or not. Okay, now I show you step number 2, how to fix its problem. iPhone Bluetooth not working. Okay, we go home and press button turn off or turn on and press button volume down and hold it. This is button 2-3 seconds and look, it's tap. Slide to power off, choose this, left, right, and waiting maybe 5 or 7 seconds and your iPhone turn off. Okay, completed, and we waiting and press and hold button turn on or turn off, hold 2-3 seconds and you look Apple logo and we waiting your iPhone loading, my iPhone loading. Okay, you repeat after me. Okay, so I showed you 2 way. Okay, now I show you 3 and 4 way very cool and effective methods. Enter passcode, my iPhone mate. Yeah, we go settings and click search and tapping the text reset and reset network settings, click and enter your passcode and mate and done. Okay, I click cancel. Okay, I show you alternative way how to search reset network settings. We go general and transfer of reset iPhone, reset and reset network settings again. Okay, now I showed you 3 methods. Okay, now I show you best of the best methods how to fix its problem. This is iPhone Bluetooth not working. Okay, I show you repeat after me. Okay, because this is very important. Okay, press the volume up and then the volume down and then the off button and hold until the Apple logo appears. Okay, I show you repeats. You repeat. Okay, press the volume up and then the volume down and hold button turn off or turn on and hold until the Apple logo appears. Maybe holds maybe 10 or 12 seconds and you look Apple logo. So complete it, and we waiting just a little more. Hold on, my iPhone loading. So I showed you the first method. It is very effective. Check if this method works for you. If you can't do it, write the model number of your iPhone and I'll shoot a video for you. It's not a problem. Please comment your version iOS and model number of your iPhone and I'll shoot a video for you again. It's not a problem. So, and ask your questions in the comments and I will create a video answer. So, click like, then I will get heart, you'll get heart too. It's very good when ours are standing likes. Thank you. Write in the comments whether your got up or not, because this is very important. Yeah. Leave comments, subscribe to the channel. Bye.